Today I will be presenting our deep learning project on skin cancer classification. Skin cancer is the most common type of cancer in the world, and there are several types of skin cancer based on their benign and malignancy level. Although melanoma is known to be a least common type of skin cancer, but it is responsible for 75% of death. Through the use of deep learning, the project aims to create an accessible and user-friendly solution that has an automated classification system based on image processing techniques. Now let's move on to our approach. Our group follows a systematic approach to the project. This consists of data understanding, which includes gathering skin lesions data from trusted sources to pre-processing and augmentations. In the modeling section, we have done transfer learning on an ensemble of a model to train the network, and we have designed a solution to be user friendly and simple enough, and we have deployed that solution over the web. The solution that we have developed classified the skin lesion into 9 categories, and they are melanoma, actinokeratosis, unknown, vascular lesion, benign keratosis, malignant nerves, basal cell carcinoma, dermatofibroma, squamous cell carcinoma. To make the prediction more robust, we have applied 16 different combinations of augmentation to enhance the skin lesion images. Now let's move on to the modeling part. Identifying skin cancer from a skin lesion images is challenging for any dermatologist and even more for any network because of its complexity and granularity. We have adopted an ensemble technology to do the transfer learning on our datasets. Now let's move on to the live demo. The web GUI consists of 5 main pages, of which 4 of them are used to explain the benefit of the tools and the ways to reduce the death caused by the skin cancer. So these are the 4 sections, and in which the inference page name our solution is where the inference is performed using the ensemble technology. So in here, firstly we need to fill the patient details. So select gender, select the anatomical site, and then once the image is uploaded in and selected, the user need to validate click on the upload button. The validated information is sent to the server on the upload button click. The optimized network analyzes the image, returning the inference to the client. The information, as you can see in a few seconds, will be automatically populated into an interactive bar graph. As you can see, the model has predicted that the skin lesion has 54% chances of having a melanoma, and it is also saying that there is a 9% chances of having a malignant nerves. Also, from here we have provided an option to download the results, so it will automatically generate a PDF where all the information that user has inserted will get downloaded into a PDF format. So in conclusion, one of the deadliest cancer form is melanoma, and the proportion of people getting affected by melanoma is increasing rapidly. To make the solution available to public and the dermatologists, we have successfully integrated the optimized model with our solution. Thanks for your time, and thank you for joining.